this is Litre from Total Parts Pro today with a 2015 Ford Ranger, stock number 6672. This ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left hand and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door code. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,